This is the current state of this wall. The goal is to basically put bookshelves all along this wall to create this cozy at-home library feel. I've got all my books just on the floor for now, so that's why I need to go ahead and get these shelves put together, and then we're gonna fill them with my books and other little pieces of decor. So let's get started putting together these bookshelves. I've got 3 of the Billy bookcases from IKEA so far. I'm gonna see how the 3 looks on the wall, and if it doesn't fill out the space enough, maybe we'll go back and get a 4th one, but we're gonna start with 3 and see how it looks. So let's get started. I feel like IKEA gets a bad rap for all of their items being super complicated to put together and taking a long time, but surprisingly these bookcases were fairly simple to put together, and it really didn't take long once I got into it. Especially after doing one and getting the hang of it, it was much easier to put a few more of them together because I kind of knew the sequence of events. But for the most part, it was just about putting in these wooden dowels and these screws to kind of secure everything together, and then building the piece, adding the backing. I finished one and then started to play with the shelving a little just because I wanted to start to see the vision a little more. But fast forward, and I did put together 2 more bookshelves, and we also got these extender pieces to add on top just to really elevate the look, make the space feel bigger and just more grand, which I'm glad we did that because it almost touches the ceiling. And then I started to add some of the shelving just to see how I wanted to space it out. And to take it to the next level, we also got these Oxford doors to add to the lower portion of the shelves, just add a little bit more storage space, and I feel like it elevates the bookshelves even more to have those doors on the lower portion. All right, I've finally gotten the bookshelves fully put together, and I'm loving how they look so far. My vision is definitely coming to life here, and now I'm ready to add on all my books, add some decor and a few little knickknacks here and there to style it and really make it feel like that cozy home library that I want it to feel like. So I'm gonna play around with the books and the decor until I get it to a point that I like how it looks. So let's get started. This process did take a little bit of time, but I enjoyed getting everything onto the shelves and just playing around with the different groupings and how I wanted everything to be displayed. My plan for the shelves is for them to always kind of be a work in progress, kind of a living piece of our living room, especially as I add more books to my collection, and if we find any new decor while we're out thrifting and vintage and antique shopping, it'll be fun to incorporate those new pieces into the shelves. As I was placing everything up here, I wanted it to have a curated and collected vibe while also feeling intentional but still effortless, if that makes sense. And I feel like I definitely accomplished that after playing around with the different groupings of everything on the shelves and the different vignettes for each space. Once I got all the books separated and organized how I wanted them, I went in with some more decor to kind of fill in the spaces and add any additional details, and I really am enjoying how it looks. So here's a little before and after. All right, y'all, it's been probably a few months, if not several months, since I actually completed this project here. I've just been kind of slacking on getting my videos edited and put up. So I do apologize about that, but I'm working on it. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. But just to kind of recap this project, I still love it. And looking back and like reassessing things now, I'm like, maybe I do want to do that 4th shelf just to fill out the wall even more, because it does have a little, you know, blank space on either side. But of course, we've got the plant on this side, some artwork on a stool over here. But, you know, I don't think it would hurt to add one more bookshelf, fill it with more books and decor. So we'll see. Maybe I'll tackle that this year. I do eventually want to add on some handles as well, just to kind of elevate the look even more. And it is super easy to add on some handles, just kind of at the top portions of each cabinet. I think that would make them look really swanky and, like I said, just elevate them even more. So I think that would be a nice detail to add. Since I finished this project, I have gotten more books and some of the decor has moved around here and there, but for the most part, it's still kind of the same look. The books are for the most part in the same groupings that they were, and we've gotten some good compliments on the bookshelves and how they make our space feel just kind of cozy, and it gives our space more character, which I'm always aiming to do, add more character into our space. And I'm glad that it makes people feel comfortable and safe and welcome when they come here. So needless to say, if you're considering getting the Billy Bookcases and creating your own cozy at-home library, highly recommend, because they do have a great look to them. You can dress them up even more if you want to make them look more built-in or custom by adding hardware and different pieces just to make it feel a little more special. With all that being said, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And if you'd like to see more home decor, DIY, and other home related content, please hit the subscribe button before you head out. I would really appreciate it and would love having you here. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.